So guys, welcome back to my channel Smart Money Hustle, and today, as you can see on your screen, I have this site over here, and you can see there is this prompt that I've already uploaded and it has already been approved. Actually, I did this yesterday. So in this site, you're going to be paid to sell this prompt. A prompt is the instructions that we give an AI to generate for you something. Okay, like in ChatGPT, you can tell it to create for you a script that you're going to use on YouTube. That is a prompt. So did you know that you can be paid to share those prompts? So in this video, I want to show you how you can do it. So this is a site that I created yesterday. Actually, it is a hidden site. Not many people know about it. But guys, as you know, in my channel, I don't gatekeep anything. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please consider hitting the notification bell, so that whenever I share any of these good videos, you will be among the first to be notified, the first to apply, and the first to get the account. So the account name is PromptBase. You can see the dashboard over here and everything. So how will you go about creating this account? Because it has a process, and I want to guide you step by step. So step one, you'll head over to Google and then type PromptBase. And once you have done that, you can see the site over here, okay? So you won't click over here login. You'll just click over here sell. I already have an account, but these are the steps that you're going to follow that will lead you to create your account. Now you can see over here they have written generation type. So what are you supposed to do here? Actually, what we are doing right now, we are selling a prompt. This is what you'll do, guys. You'll come over here, click over here, so then come over here for model. Model refers to the type of GPT that you're going to use, the type of AI that you're going to use. So I'm going to select ChatGPT because it is most people know about it. Okay, then I come over here. So they are telling me suggest a title for this prompt, the name of the prompt that you want to sell. Okay, I already have a title over here because I was just searching in ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and I told it I want to sell a prompt in PromptBase. Suggest for me the best prompt to sell. Okay, so it gave me a list of prompts that I can sell, like this one of AI business generator. This is a prompt also. Let me just scroll down. This also is a prompt for an ebook. Okay, let me just use this one of ebook. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go over to this site, and then I'm going to paste my title over there. Now they're telling us to also give a description. So what will I do over here? I'll just come over here again to ChatGPT, and then I'll tell ChatGPT, and then I come back again to PromptBase, and then I copy this description. I want ChatGPT to write it for. So I just come over here and then I paste it over there, and then I give ChatGPT time to generate for me. Great, it has already generated our description. Okay, so I'm going to copy this description, all of it. So I'll advise you to humanize this description. Okay, there are many humanizers out there, and then just come over here, you paste. After humanizing, you paste the prompt over there. Okay, the description that you generate doesn't deplete the characters. Okay, so let me assume this is my description. I already have it. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do, you can see the price over here. What do you think the price of this prompt should be? So you are the one to determine the price that you want to sell. So for me, I'll just go with the lowest price, and then I'm going to click over here next. You can see now I am on the second step over here. Okay, just leave this part the way it is. Prompt template. So I'm going to copy everything over here. So you'll pass through these guidelines to see the kind of prompts that they want. Okay, but for me, because I'm just doing this as a tutorial for you to understand how to do this, so I'm going to continue. I'm just going to copy this one. I'll go to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it over there, and then I'm going to click enter twice. Then I'll come over here again. I'm going to copy this one, copy that one. I'll paste it over there, and then I'll click enter again. I click over here. Let me see what is going to generate. So you can see ChatGPT is creating for us the prompt template. So you'll just click over here, copy, then go back over here. Okay, you paste over there. That's the template. The next thing, you just come over here, example outputs. Yes. Okay, so I just paste over there, and then I click there. Output is the same as the results that you get after giving ChatGPT or the AI the instructions. Okay, like here you can see these are the instructions. This one, prompt template. Okay, so this one that I pasted over here above. Now here you're supposed to put now the answers that you're going to get. You're going to add it over here. Are you together? So what will I do? I'll just come over here. They have told us add 4 example outputs from your prompt. So you're supposed to give 4 example of the outputs or answers that you're going to be given by the ChatGPT, okay, after using the prompt. So you can see here, this is example 1. So I'm just going to copy this output first. So that's the first example. Now I'm going to put a second example over here. You'll just click over here, add example, okay? Now we have already reached the 4 that they want. Now let us scroll down and see how or what they want next. Okay. So here they're telling us prompt instructions, any extra tips or example for the buyer on how to use this prompt. So just copy this one, go to ChatGPT, and then paste it. So guys, this is about creativity, okay? And guys, please, so far, if you have liked my video so far, please subscribe. Please. I'm a freelancer, and a lot of things I'm going to share with you guys. But if you want to get whatever I'm sharing, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. So let me just continue. So this is extra instructions, so, okay? So remember, we are creating we are selling a prompt, okay? So you want that buyer to understand everything, okay? So here, prompt instructions, any extra tips or example for the buyer on how to use this prompt. So ChatGPT has already written for me, so I'm going to paste it over there, okay? Now, something else, okay? ChatGPT share link. Oh, this is like sharing the history of ChatGPT of you using that prompt. So this one is so simple, guys. So let me show you how you're going to get that link, okay? So assuming we're using this prompt, where is that prompt? I'll just copy it, and then on a new tab, I'll just open it. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to paste all of that prompt, okay? Then come over here and now put the topic and everything, okay? Because I hadn't put any topic. So topic, I can just say like an ebook of how to make money online, okay? So I'm going to use as an example. Target audience, young adults, okay? Writing tone, I want it to be friendly. Book length, I want it to be medium. I don't want it to be very long, okay? I'm going to click over there, generate. Let me just see if it's going to create for us. See, 5 powerful ebook titles. It has already chosen one for me, okay? And then best title, it has chosen for me this From Phone to Profit, okay? Now from there you can see now it is generating the ebook. So it has already created for us the ebook that we want. What you are going to do, because this is what you want to show the buyer, okay? You want to show the buyer that your prompt is working. So what will you do? You'll just click over here, share. We want to share with that buyer the history of our ChatGPT, and then you click over here the link, okay? So this link, when you open in any browser, is going to give you the ChatGPT history. I'm just going to go back over here and then scroll up to the bottom, because that is the part that we are left with, and then I'm going to click over there, paste, and then I click next. That is finish. So they are telling me there are 1 or more errors in your prompt. Fix the errors above and try again, okay? Don't worry guys, it's going to give you this error. Even me, I got this error, but I'm going to show you how to correct it. So I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go back. Let me see, it's going to highlight the errors. So please provide inputs for all your templates. Click on the input boxes highlighted in red to enter value. Great. Now these are the prompts. You remember them, the example of the prompts, okay? Over here, because I pasted them, they are appearing now here, okay? So here you are supposed to make sure that you fill it, okay? This red, you're supposed to make sure that you fill. Like this one, what you will do, you'll just come over here. This is making money online for beginners. That is the topic. You just come over here, you paste it over there. Target audience, you can say young adults, okay? Writing tone, friendly. So it's like making sure that you fill these prompts, okay? Let us click again, finish. We see, no, they're saying there are still more errors. So the problem is that we uploaded 3 prompts instead of 4. So we are supposed to upload 4, okay? I was supposed to click over here, add example. So again, I'm going just to click over here, finish, and then so that it shows me where the error is coming from. Because everything now is okay, we have filled the places that had errors. Now let us click again, finish. Good. Let us see. Great. So the prompt has been uploaded, guys. So they are even telling us hooray. So they're saying that they are reviewing my prompt, and this one is going to take anywhere from 15 minutes to 36 hours. And then I'm going to receive an email once this is done, okay? They're also telling me that upload a prompt each day to extend your streak, but miss a day and it resets, okay? So I'm going to click over here, finish. And then I wait for it to be uploaded. This is how your account is going to look like. Okay. The steps that I've given you, they are going to also to give you a step of creating the account. So it's easy. Then there's something that I have not showed you guys. So how are you going to be paid? You'll just click over here to payouts. And then there are two payment methods that have been given, Stripe and this one. So for this one, they give you a clear step of how to add this payment method, okay? You'll just download a wallet from Play Store. You just follow the steps that I've given. You put the address and then you are going to be paid in that address. So but if you get any challenge, you can tell me, okay? So your balance is going to appear over here. Your minimum threshold is going to appear here. I think the minimum threshold is $30, and then payout schedule, you can see it is daily, okay? So you'll just come over here, pass through these things, and then you'll be good to go. This is a secret site that most people are not yet telling you about. So guys, if you want more sites like this one, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and I'm going to share with you these sites before people overcrowd them, okay? And also guys, don't forget this site also has jobs. You'll just click over here. You can see these are jobs over here, okay? So you're supposed to have credits for you to access these jobs, and you will just buy credits in this site, and then you'll be able to access this AI training job. To create another prompt, you'll just click over here, sell, and then you will just fill these things the way I've shown you, okay? And it will be easy as ABCD. So guys, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for more. See you on the next video. Bye and be blessed.